this video, we're going to cover the steps to take should you need to use your travel medical insurance while you're away. First step, if you're medically able, call the emergency assistance number on the wallet card that you were given when you purchased the insurance. From there, you tell our team what's going on and what you need help with. They will explain your coverage and the benefits and provide any support that you need. It's so important to call us first. We have access to a global network of healthcare providers, which allows us to offer you choice in how you seek medical treatment. For example, for minor ailments, you can choose telemedicine, which is a video consultation with a local doctor. Or, for your convenience, we can send a physician to where you are, at your hotel, your resort, or a family member's house, so we can bring medical care to you. If you like, we can always refer you to a local urgent care clinic or an emergency room. It's your choice. The next step, once we've set up your appointment, is to make billing arrangements, which means that they send the bill to us and not you. There could be a situation where you're not able to call us first. It doesn't have to be you that makes the first contact. The hospital or a family member can call on your behalf. This is why it's valuable to keep your wallet card with you or give it to a family member. This way, we can monitor your care and ensure proper medical treatment. For more information, visit our website or speak to a trusted insurance professional. Thanks for watching. Please check out our full suite of educational videos to learn more about travel insurance. Safe travels!